e ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.
Hey, oldie friend, do you recall that new to the news team segment which kicked off this season's inveritably veritable smorgasbord of good content?
You mean Dad Brad joke of the week? Whose idea was that anyway?
Tony Snark.
Way to field the wool play.
And yet as far afield as the veritable last opportunity to assemble in unity to get things done sounds,
there remains the end day of end game. Graduation. Woo woo!
Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end, oldie friend.
Oh my god, that's a Semi-Sonic the Hedgehog send-off, oldie friend.
Let's send it back off to the desk then, oldie friend.
Bye dudes! E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.